video, I'm going to demonstrate how to mark up a new document in ABBYY FlexiLayout Studio. After importing the new document, find it in the Batch menu and double-click to view it in the Document View window. The first thing we need to do is make sure ABBYY can identify the document as our expense report. This is done with the header and footer search elements. We need to find something unique that will help identify this document. At the top of the page, the words expense report will be a good place to start. This text will always be in the top right-hand corner and will always look the same. It is considered static text. One way to create an element is to select Create Element from the ribbon. Click on the icon, then rubber band the words Expense Report. Select the Static Text option from the pop-up box and click OK. The properties for this element will then pop up. Renaming the element is a good idea. I like to add st underscore at the beginning of the static text. That helps me quickly identify what the elements are in the Flexi layout. Also, this element needs to be marked as required. Make sure the element appears under the header. There is one more static text element we will use to help identify the document. In the other corner, we can use the text for office use only. The other way to create an element is to right-click on the search elements in the Flexi Layout window and select Add Element in the drop-down menu. Because we need this element as part of the header, right-click on Header and select Add Element, Static Text. Type in a name, change to Required Element, then click the Static Text tab. Add For Office Use Only in the first box as search text. Click OK to continue. To test and make sure everything is working correctly, right-click on the document and select Match. The program found both elements, so we are good so far. If you have more than one document in the batch, a better way to test is by selecting the documents you want to test, then right-click and select Match. The footer is done similar to the header. Find some text or other unique items at the bottom of the page and create some elements to describe them. Test the new items by matching the document like we did earlier. So far, we have defined the document. Now we need to start getting the useful data from the document. Start by using static text to find the headings of the data. Statement number and name are the two items we want to find on this document. After getting the static elements located, we will need to find the real data employees will type in. This is done by adding character string elements. Select Character String from the Search Elements menu. Select the Character String tab, Alphabets, Add, select all the characters that could be used in the statement number. Next, go to the Relations tab. Click the Add button. Select a reference element by clicking on the ellipses button on the right of the text box. After clicking on the OK button, the search area will become green. Select a reference boundary, then set the offset. This is the right boundary of the area that needs to be searched. Click Add Relation button to continue. Do this 3 more times to finish defining the search area. By selecting all the boundaries at once, you can see the search area that was created. The area will be colored green. Finally, click Apply and OK. There's one more item we need to set up, the block. To create a block, right-click on Blocks, Add Block, text. Rename the block and select a source element to link it to. The source element will be the character string we just created. Click Apply and Finish to complete this step. We need to repeat the previous steps for the name. And that will conclude this video on marking up a document. In the next video, we will finish the markup process by adding a table. Thank you for watching.